Have you ever reached a point in life where you suddenly start thinking deeply about where you are, what you've achieved, and where you're going next? Maybe you look at your job, your goals, or your daily routine and think, is this really the direction I want? These kinds of thoughts are more common than you might think. Welcome to AZ Languages. I'm Bella, and I'm really glad you're here with me for today's listening practice session. As always, just relax, listen carefully, and follow the natural rhythm of spoken English as we explore today's topic together. Today, we're going to talk about something that many people experience at a certain stage in life. We're talking about the idea of a midlife crisis. Now, before we go deeper, let's first understand what this actually means. A midlife crisis is often described as a period of emotional reflection or confusion about one's life, identity, and direction. It usually happens somewhere between the ages of 40 and 60, although it can sometimes come earlier or later, depending on the person. During this time, people may start questioning their choices. They might look back at their life and wonder if they made the right decisions, or they may feel uncertain about what comes next. It's not just about feeling unhappy. It's more about reflection, comparison, and sometimes emotional discomfort when life doesn't feel exactly the way they expected. And in many ways, it's understandable. Let's break this idea down into a few areas of life where these feelings often appear. One of the first areas is finances. Money and financial stability become a major focus during adulthood. By the time people reach their 40s or 50s, they are often responsible not only for themselves, but also for their families. They may have children to support, bills to pay, and long-term plans like saving for retirement. At the same time, people naturally want to feel that their life has meaning and purpose. They want to feel that their time and effort have led to something valuable. Because of this, some individuals may decide to make big changes during this stage of life. They might consider changing careers, starting new projects, or focusing on something they feel is more meaningful or fulfilling. It's like a reset point in life for some people, a moment where they try to realign their actions with their values. Now, when we talk about a midlife crisis, it might sound very negative at first. The word crisis itself can feel heavy or dramatic. But in reality, this experience is not always something bad. Yes, it can be challenging. It can involve stress, uncertainty, and emotional reflection. But it can also lead to growth. Many people go through this stage and eventually come out of it with a clearer understanding of themselves. They may make positive changes, improve their lifestyle, or find new directions that feel more meaningful or fulfilling. So,